Question number 25. Show that the semi-vertical angle of the cone of the maximum volume and the given slant height is tan inverse root 2. R, R, H and L. Let R, H and L be the radius, height and slant height of cone respectively. Angle theta. Theta be the semi-vertical angle. Theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi by 2. Volume of cone is equal to V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. OAB. In triangle OAB, R upon L is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta. This implies R is equal to L sin theta. And base upon hypotenuse h upon L is equal to cos theta, which implies h is equal to L cos theta. V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi into r square, that is L square sin square theta, r square L square sin square theta, and h is equal to L cos theta. Volume B is equal to 1 upon 3 pi L cube sin square theta into cos theta. It's equation number first. Differentiating first with respect to angle theta. dV upon d theta is equal to, this is constant, 1 upon 3 pi L raised to power 3. First function, second function, sin square theta as it is. d dx of cos theta is minus sin theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta as it is, and derivative of sin square theta in power 2 sin theta, and differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. dv upon d theta is equal to 1 upon 3 pi l cube, 1 upon 3 pi l cube, and sin cube theta minus sin cube theta plus 2 cos square theta sin theta, 2 cos square theta sin theta. Put dv upon d theta is equal to 0, 1 upon 3 pi l raised to power 3 minus sin cube theta plus 2 cos square theta sin theta is equal to 0. Constant will be 0 and minus sin cube theta is equal to, this will be negative in right side, and minus 2 cos square theta into sin theta. 1 power sin theta cancel and 1 power less, that is sin square theta, minus sin square theta is equal to minus 2 cos square theta. Minus minus is cancel. Sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So double derivative d square v upon d theta square is equal to 1 upon 3 pi l raised to power 3 as it is, and differentiation of minus sin cube theta minus 3 sin square theta into differentiation of sin theta is cos theta plus 2 cos square theta as it is, derivative of sin theta that is equal to cos theta, first function as it is, derivative of second, plus sin theta as it is into differentiation of cos square theta, that is 2 cos theta into minus sin theta into minus sin theta. So d square v upon d theta square is equal to 1 by 3 pi l raised to power 3 minus 3 sin square theta cos theta, and multiplying in bracket, that is plus 2 cos cube theta, cos square theta into cos theta, that is cos cube theta, 2 2s are 4 minus 4 sin square theta into cos theta, sin theta sin square theta, 2 2s are 4 and minus 4 sin square theta cos theta. d square v upon d theta square is equal to 1 by 3 pi l raised to power 3 minus 3 sin square theta cos theta minus 4 sin square theta cos theta, that is minus sin, that is minus 7 sin square theta cos theta, and 2 cos cube theta as it is, minus 7 sin square theta cos theta. Sin square theta equal to 2 cos square theta. we are putting here d square b upon d theta square is equal to 1 by 3 pi l raised to power 3 2 cos cube theta minus 7 sin square theta is 2 cos square theta into 2 cos square theta into cos theta, that is minus 14 cos cube theta. So d square v upon d theta square is equal to 1 by 3 pi l raised to power 3 and minus 14 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta, that is 2 cos cube theta minus 14 cos cube theta, that is equal to minus 12 cos cube theta. d square b upon d theta square equal to 1 upon 3 pi l raised to power 3 minus 12 cos cube theta, and this is cancelled by minus 4 is equal to d square v upon d theta square is equal to minus 4 pi l cube cos cube theta minus 4 pi l cube cos cube theta, which is less than 0, so it gives a point of maxima. So volume is maximum and v divides, so sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta upon cos square theta. We are dividing both sides by cos square theta. This will be 1 and this will be 1 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. This implies tan square theta is equal to 2 and tangent theta is equal to under root of 2. So angle theta is equal to tan inverse under root of 2. Hence proved. It's a cone. R, H and L be the radius, height and slant height of cone respectively, and angle theta, angle be the semi-vertical. So theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi by 2, and volume of cone we know that V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, and perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta. So perpendicular is here r and hypotenuse is L. R upon L is sin theta, R is equal to L sin theta, and base upon hypotenuse is equal to cos theta, H upon L is equal to cos theta, so H is equal to L cos theta. R is equal to L sin theta, H is equal to L cos theta, and we are putting L and H in volume V, 1 upon 3 pi r square. R square means L square sin square theta into H. H is L cos theta, and L square multiply by L, that is L cube, 1 upon 3 pi L cube sin square theta cos theta. It's equation number first, and we are differentiating equation first with respect to theta. Angle theta dv upon d theta is constant number is common, and we are differentiating with sin square theta and cos theta. First function, second function. First function as it is sin square theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta as it is differentiation of sin square theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. cos theta into 2 sin theta into cos theta, and dv upon d theta is 1 upon 3 pi l cube, it's constant, and minus sin cube theta plus 2 cos square theta sin theta, 2 cos theta cos theta cos square theta into sin theta, put dv upon d theta is 0, first differentiation is 0, so 1 upon 3 pi l cube is equal to 0, and sin cube theta minus sin cube theta is equal to minus 2 cos square theta sin theta, 1 power sin theta that will be cancelled, and minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, minus minus is cancelled, and we get sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Differentiating once again double derivative, we get d square b upon d theta square is 1 upon 3 pi l cube, and differentiation of minus sin cube theta is minus 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta plus 2, and cos square theta as it is, derivative of sin theta is cos theta plus sin theta as it is, differentiation of first function that is 2 cos theta into ddx of cos theta is minus sin theta, and we are multiplying 2 with cos square theta cos cube theta, that is 2 cos cube theta, 2 2s are 4, and minus 4 sin square theta cos theta. So double derivative is equal to 1 upon 3 pi l cube minus 3 l square theta cos theta plus 2 cos cube theta minus 4 sin square theta cos theta, and we are adding minus 4 sin square theta cos theta minus 3 sin square theta cos theta, that will be minus 7 sin square theta cos theta, and 2 cos square theta as it is, and we are putting sin square theta, value of sin square theta is 2 cos square theta, 2 7s are 14, minus 14 cos square theta into cos theta, that is cos cube theta, minus 14 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta, that is minus 12 cos cube theta, that is negative, so which is less than 0, double derivative is negative means it gives a volume will be maximum, and so the volume is maximum, and sin square theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, we are dividing cos square theta both sides, left and right sides, then we get tan square theta is equal to 2, and tan square theta is 2, tan theta is equal to root 2, so theta angle theta we get tan inverse under root 2 answer. Thank you so much.